This is a laundry room that I just finished. It's a laundry room and mudroom for my client's young family, and it's getting a lot of use. It was really a blank slate. There was one sink cabinet and then the washer and dryer, but we did have these tall ceilings. They're 10 feet high. Then we thought, let's incorporate some vertical storage, turn it into a mudroom and laundry room, and just make it a lot more functional for this young family. We divided the room into two zones. One is more of a laundry area and the other is the mudroom. So at the back of the space we have the washer and dryer on a raised pedestal, which helps to make them a little bit more easy to use. And they have a quartz countertop so that there's lots of working surface above them. Beside the washer and dryer is the sink cabinet, and it offers lots of handy storage. And there's also this laundry hamper that's built into the cabinet, which is great for this family. This sink is my favorite feature in this laundry room. It's the Liven laundry sink made out of SILGRANIT, exclusive to BLANCO. This sink is 12 inches deep, so it's much deeper than your average kitchen sink, and this makes it very versatile. It's available in 7 colors, and we chose the white because it creates a very integrated look with the white countertops. Something unique to BLANCO is they have a collection of faucets that are color coordinated to the SILGRANIT sink options. So the finish on this faucet actually matches the finish on the sink. I love that this faucet has the discreet pull-down feature as well. My client loved that BLANCO offered a collection of accessories to add to their sink and faucet, like the soap dispenser and the laundry rack. With a super deep sink like this, it's nice to have a spot to put all your scrubbables and soap. This laundry rack keeps them out of the bottom of the sink and off of the counter. As a designer, it's great to find a product that not only looks beautiful, but is also going to be practical and hard-wearing for my clients, and I know they're going to love it for years. We wanted to incorporate a classic mudroom feeling with the upholstered bench and the under cabinet storage for boots and shoes, and then also the hooks for backpacks and coats, and we were able to incorporate that into this small section. The other item that my client had asked for on her wish list was a broom closet, and we had this 1.5 feet of storage left over, and it was the perfect spot for 2 tall cabinets. One that actually has a pull-out hook for all of your vacuums and brooms, and it's a very practical use of that leftover space. To finish off this wall, we had cabinetry installed right up to the ceiling, and so that's a great place to stash away their seasonal stuff. To balance the dark cabinetry on the one side of the space, I suggested that we add a bold geometric wallpaper to the opposite side. It really adds a lot of depth and dimension to the room. The geometric motif continues in various elements such as the white ceramic backsplash tile, which I love, and then also in the bench fabric. This is an indoor-outdoor fabric, so it's very durable for a space like this, and it offers a little bit of that high contrast pattern again. My client had one piece that we had to incorporate into this room, and this is a beautiful oversized mirror that was her grandmother's. She had refinished it in a black gloss paint, and it looks fantastic against the geometric wallpaper. For a busy family, having a space like this helps to take the chaos out of their everyday lives.
At least you hope so.
At least I hope so.